So today we had an opportunity to join SDOT staff and Metro staff to do some bus driving on the training course.
We wanted to give the people from SDOT what it feels like to actually drive a bus and how difficult it is to maneuver them around in tight confines like they do in the city. It also gave us an opportunity to meet them, talk to them, and get their perspective on the challenges they have when they're designing their roadways. We're not the only people that compete for road space.
I think it was a really great opportunity for designers and planners from SDOT to see what needs to be taken into consideration as far as buses being able to make it through a really tight space, and not so much just straight on, but you do eventually have to turn out of that space.
It takes a certain aptitude to drive a bus, and I think they did really well. And in asking them questions afterwards, they did say that it did give them a different perspective about what it's like to drive a bus and how difficult it is compared to a car.
Keeping safety in mind and keeping the swing from the tail was a really big challenge, I think, for me. And I saw other people with it was always the back right. So that was a good thing that I think we'll keep in mind from this.
We understand now a little bit differently, at least I do, from what I was initially thinking was kind of more or less transit, but there's transit, there's bicycles, there's businesses, there's cars, there's pedestrians. A lot of other people who are competing for the use of the roadway for what limited space we have. By being able to collaborate with them more than we have been in the past, this is going to give us an opportunity to see how we can work better together to develop better roadways and transit space.
We really appreciate the opportunity to work collaboratively with Metro on this bus driving exercise. I think it gave a great opportunity for people to see hands-on what the challenges are with maneuvering buses through various lane widths. And I think we really now have a better perspective of what the drivers go through. So we appreciate that opportunity. Thank you, Metro.